You have an efficient manufacturing process, rely on multiple programs, wish you had more customization options? Transform your design to manufacturing process with Microvellum's all-in-one software. Say goodbye to inefficiencies and hello to seamless workflows. You'll get AutoCAD-based design and drafting tools for better communication with architects, more professional drawings, and more consistency. Bid more confidently with integrated estimating, delivering accurate project costing for materials, hardware, labor, and more. Whether you work in commercial or residential markets, with Microvellum, build what you want, your way. Speed up your manufacturing with one software to simplify your entire process from the office to the shop floor. Join thousands of woodworkers who've eliminated hours of redundancy and streamlined their workflows with the power and flexibility of Microvellum.